Good morning guys, it is the next day of our road trip. We are driving to Fort Wayne today, which is like halfway between here and Chicago. It is about a 5-hour journey, but first we're going to go get some breakfast in the hotel. So we have been driving for just over 2 hours. We have stopped at Ohio Turnpike. We're gonna get ourselves our coffee, maybe something small to eat, and then keep on going because we've still got like just under 3 hours left. Made it safe and sound to Fort Wayne. It was a rainy drive and it felt very long, but we are here. I thought I'd give you a quick tour of the hotel room. So we're staying at the Hilton Fort Wayne at the convention center. We chose this hotel mainly because it had parking, which turned out to be free today because they had the barrier up, which is great. And what was the other thing? Oh, because it's like a 15-minute walk from the Tin Caps baseball team, which is what we're going to see today. It's like the minor league. So let me give you a quick tour. So you come in, we have the bathroom, which I'll show you in a minute. But you have 2 double beds, big TV, which is always handy. Not that, to be fair, this evening we are not planning on doing too much TV watching because we're out. And then let me open these curtains. Let's see what this view is. So you kind of have a bit of a view of Fort Wayne. Yeah. So the bathroom is a bit of an odd setup. So in here, we have your wardrobe that goes in here, safe, iron and ironing board. And then if you open here, you have your sink, and then you have your bathtub and your toilet in the same room, which I kind of find weird. Don't know why it's a separate room, but hey ho. Nice, decent. We're happy with that. So it's like 3:30 now. We're gonna chill out for a bit. The game isn't until 7 o'clock, or is it 7:30? It's like 7 o'clock this evening, I think. There's a Starbucks attached to the building, so I think we're gonna go get Starbucks because I am flagging. That was a really long drive. I'm not gonna moan about it, but it was a long drive. So we're gonna go and get the rest of the stuff from the car because we have a load of WrestleMania stuff that we don't want to leave in the car. So we're gonna go get that stuff, then maybe go get a coffee and chill out for a bit, and then go to the baseball this evening. Hi guys, we are not having much luck with this baseball season in the rain. So this trip we were meant to go to 3 different games. We were meant to go to a Phillies game, a Pittsburgh Pirates game, and here in Fort Wayne we were going to go to the Tin Caps minor league baseball game, but we just got notified that it has been cancelled because of the rain. I mean, it is raining a lot. It's not raining as much as it was in Philadelphia, but it is raining quite a bit, so they've cancelled it. At least we got told now and not like when we were there, but still it's really frustrating. So we were meant to have seen 3 baseball games on this trip and we've only seen 1. So that is a shame. I know that they can't help it because it's raining and we probably wouldn't enjoy it anyway because of the rain. But it just means, I mean, this is only like 3 hours away from Chicago. So it just means we'll have to come back to Fort Wayne at some point to catch a game again, but maybe in the summer when it's not going to rain. And also next time we do one of these road trips, like in seasons that it's going to rain, I think just hold out and buy the tickets nearer the time. That's my lesson learned here. But yeah, I'm not sure what the plan is for the rest of the day. It is tipping it down, so I don't think we'll probably go out too much. But tomorrow we are heading back to Chicago, so I'm not sure if we do anything this evening. I will let you know. If not, I shall see you tomorrow morning. Good morning guys, it is the last day of our trip. We have just packed up. We're going to head back to Chicago now. We might pass a Bass Pro on the way. We want to go to a Bass Pro shop, so we might do that on the way, depending on how the traffic is looking. Oh my god, my hair is atrocious this morning. Just depending on how the traffic's looking, what the weather's like and stuff. But yeah, we might pop there on the way back. But yeah, it's the end of our road trip. So last day, let's go. We got like 45 minutes in and I needed the bathroom and I got hungry. So we stopped at a Dunkin' Donuts on the way. I got myself a bagel and yeah, just gonna have a little mini break and then back on the road. Okay, so we were driving home and we realised there was a Bass Pro halfway home. So of course we decided to stop by. We've never been to a Bass Pro before, but we've heard lots about it and I'm fascinated. So let's pop in. Hi! There's a fountain and a shooting range. We're thinking of getting a t-shirt, but there's so many. Fish batter mix. God bless America, but mostly Indiana. Found a penny machine. You know, it says a theme here in this trip. Callum loves his best pennies. Got the right one. Bass Pro Shops. First Bass Pro visit. This is such a cool shop. There's so much going on. I don't even know where to look first. So there's like a shooting range here. It's like one that you'd have like at a carnival. And it's like 50 cents a go, so we're gonna have a go. Why not? No pressure, Callum, but you're on camera. So they have a camping section. I don't know when the last time I took a pizza oven camping with me was. I'm up for that type of camping. There's a sign there that says game processing. I thought those would be like Xboxes and PlayStations. I think they mean game as in food, like animals. Every time I put my phone away to actually just look at the stuff, there's more exciting stuff that comes out that I want to film. This store is huge. A whole section for hunting clothes. They have all sorts of spices. Look at this. Chipotle fire, ghost pepper. This is a good place to go to before Christmas, Callum, because this is the type of stuff I get you for Christmas. Pickled galore. This is what we saw. I'm sure this is what we saw in that Amish country, like something similar to this. So we've just got back to Chicago, put the car back, took all the stuff to the apartment. Callum, Callum put everything in like the car and took it all up, whilst I had the important job of coming down and choosing lunch. So we've gone for a Philly cheesesteak place because, you know, why not? We just had a road trip to Philadelphia. I'm also going to pick up a Starbucks because I'm absolutely shattered. But it's SmackDown tonight and I want to stay awake.